How to handle a personal injury claim involving a minor. So let's start it. Begin by explaining that personal injury claims involving minors under the age of 18 are different from regular adult claims. Emphasize the importance of understanding the special rules and procedures when dealing with personal injury claims for minors, especially since the legal system views minors differently. So now the first point is who can file a claim for a minor. Explain that in most cases a parent or legal guardian must file the personal injury claim on behalf of the minor. The parent or guardian is the one who will make decision on behalf of the child. But the child's best interest should always be considered. Remind the audience that minors can't legally sign contracts, so the settlement agreement will need to be approved by the court. Now, the second point, the role of the court in minor injury claims. Let the audience know that when a minor is involved in a personal injury claim, the settlement usually needs to be approved by a judge, especially if the amount exceeds a certain threshold. The court's role is to ensure the settlement is fair and in the best interest of the minor. In some cases, the court may require the settlement funds to be placed in a trust or a structured settlement to protect the minor's financial future. Now, the third point is time limits for filing a claim for a minor. The third point is that the statute of limitations, the time limits for filing a personal injury claim, is usually extended for minors. For example, in many states, the statute of limitations for a minor does not start until the child turns 18. This means the minor has until they reach adulthood to file a claim, giving them more time to seek compensation for their injuries. Encourage the audience to check with a lawyer to understand the specific statute of limitations in their state. 4. Types of damages available in minor injury claims. So, describe the types of damages a minor can seek in a personal injury claim. These may include first, medical expenses. So, covering current and future medical costs related to the injury. Second is pain and suffering. Pain and suffering, compensation for the physical and emotional trauma the child has experienced. And the other point is lost wages. Third point is lost wages. If the injury affects the child's ability to perform future work or activities. And other damages, like depending on the case, a minor may also be entitled to damages for emotional distress, permanent disability, or future rehabilitation cost. So, remind the audience that settlements involving minors often factor in future expenses like education or long term care. Now, the fifth point is consulting a personal injury lawyer. States the importance of consulting an experienced personal injury lawyer when dealing with a claim involving a minor. Lawyers can help guide the family through the legal process, ensure the settlement is fair, and handle the necessary court approvals. Now, the other point is a lawyer will also make sure that the minor's rights are protected and that the settlement agreement is in their best interest, and suggest that parents or guardian seek legal advice as soon as possible to ensure they are taking the right steps in filing the claim and securing the best possible outcome for the minor. So, the conclusion is, and recap the key points is, when handling a personal injury claim involving a minor, a parent or guardian must file the claim. The court plays a role in approving settlements. The statute of limitation is extended for minors, and there are various types of damages available. Remind the audience that handling a minor's injury claim requires a special consideration and legal guidance to protect the child's right and future. Encourage them to consult with a personal injury lawyer to navigate this process and make sure the minor is properly compensated. So, this is the method of how to handle a personal injury claim involving a minor. Thanks for watching this video. If any question, so write in the comment below.